Hi friends, hope you're all doing good. So, I want to narrate a short story before I give you my message. So picture this, there are two friends waiting at the bus stop for a bus to come. They need to travel to a particular destination, let us say Mumbai. Okay, so they are waiting for the bus. It's a hot summer afternoon, we've been waiting for quite some time and they're getting literally frustrated. After some time, the bus arrives and then one of them who was prepared to board the bus, he boards the bus, and the other friend who was still preparing, he was just gathering his luggage when he saw the bus approaching. He missed the bus because bus hardly stopped for a few seconds. Can you relate this to your interview? What was missing here? Preparation. Right? So many times it must have happened with you. It happens with all of us. It happened with me also many times. We are so much focused on applying for the job, so much focused on, just sending a resume, sharing here and there, networking with people, that we often fail to do the preparation that is actually required for us when the interview call comes. Suppose you got an interview call today saying that you have an interview tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock. What happens then? All of a sudden you find there's so many things you need to do. You need to check your resume whether some updation is required, your dress, what you will wear for the interview, company website you will want to go through. Are there any questions you want to go through to be prepared better? Are there any other thing that you need to do before you actually say that yeah, you're well prepared for the interview? But then there's a lot of other also work waiting for you. So you become panicked because you have very short time for the interview. You wanted more time. You had been waiting for this interview call, but now you have a short time to prepare for this interview. So how do we avoid this? Preparation is the answer, right? So that's why I have come up with this program called as Coaching for Success in the Interview. So this is one-on-one coaching. Why I'm trying to do this? Because I very much realize, the scenario which happens. I have been in the corporate industry for 22 years into HR. I have been interviewing so many people across all the levels. And I will tell you one scenario. Many times it would have happened that when I was interviewing a candidate, after we are done, I just asked the question as to what does he know about my organization where he's applying for. So I get a response saying ki I did not get time to go through your website. So is this a kind of response expected? See, the candidate very well knew that he needs to know about the organization before he goes for the interview. But he could not find time for that because he was not prepared for that. Right? So in order to avoid this panic in the last minute, in order to be more confident with your preparation, in order to perform well, I am wanting to help you with one-on-one coaching for success in the job interview. And how can I help you? Because being into HR for 22 years, I have been interviewing candidates from campus, right from the campus to the VP level. So therefore this program is also for all, whether you are a fresher applying for a job in the industry or you are at middle management level or at any senior position. Because I have handled all those recruitments, I have been through the entire process. So I can share with you the inside story as to what the candidate is expected to do, how does the candidate need to conduct himself or herself. What is the organization's expectation when they come for the interview? How does a recruiter screen your resume? What should you add in your resume? What should you not add in your resume? And what preparations have to be done before the interview and what has to be done after the interview? So this coaching will help you to understand these inside story, and this will help you to be more confident, more prepared for those interviews. So it's not important, that you get 5 calls for the interview with 0 success. It's important that you do 1 interview with success. So numbers are not important. It is that organization which you are aiming for, how well you are able to perform in the interview, that you can assure that you get the offer from there. Right? I hope you are able to understand what I am trying to convey. So that is why I have built one program around 3 important things. Build yourself. So build yourself means you are a product. Let us understand and agree with this. You are a product, right? You have to present yourself. So what is the kind of, how do you present yourself? What is the kind of mindset you have? Are you able to visualize your success? How should you prepare yourself? Then build your resume. So it's just not writing your resume. There would be a lot of people helping you to understand what to write. There are a lot of things that are involved in building that resume. So what should be there, what not should be there, what are a lot of other things in the resume that should be there, and around resume and the documentation what all is required. Then build your environment. Your environment is very important because your environment actually helps you to do something better or worse. You would see that in your organization also. If you have a good environment around you, your performance is good. If your environment is not good, your performance dips. So your environment, how do you create your environment while you are preparing for this interview? What do you do for that? That is what I am going to talk to you about. So if this appeals to you, if this interests to you, and if you want to get that success in the next interview call, do register for this program. There's a link given below. And let us connect over the call and see how I can help you. Thank you so much.